Power Jamaica is an energy company which was founded in 2010. About 2015, we embarked on a new concept where we want to actually look at waste energy, a solution for Jamaica in particular. So we conceptualize using existing street lights to convert into waste for our street lighting. And we successfully done that, and we entered the National Innovation Competition in 2016, where we won the category in energy and energy efficiency for our street light. The street light was tested by the Bureau Standard and was certified to be sold on the Jamaican market. The government is actually embarking on a streetlight program, where the problem at the moment is that at that time was that sometimes streetlights are on or half, and you don't really know unless you go on the location to do that, to check. So we embarked on a smart lighting technology where we thought we could actually embed that into our recycled streetlight, and we successfully installed the smart lighting in our recycled light, and we are now able to control those lights remotely using our smart solar controller. So for example, we could stay anywhere in the world and turn these lights on via internet. So all of our smart solar street lights are now solar driven. So we install solar in either as a standalone unit or as another concept that we're actually promoting, which we call power wheeling concept, where you install solar at certain points across the country, inject that solar into the grid, and you actually power our existing lighting using that grid power. We also have our standalone units. If, for example, you have a new stretch of light in a rural community or along the Highway 2000, can all be powered from solar using our recycled street light and smart solar system. Our smart system can manage up to 200 lights on any one network. So we realize that having that sort of system allows us to have total control over our street lighting. Bamboo is quite versatile, and since 2018 we have also embarked on using bamboo to make lighting equipment. So we managed to make a desk light, LED desk light out of bamboo that was successful. We actually sent that to the Bureau Standard. They have actually tested that, and that's supposed to be with us in short order. We also looked at what we call the Jamaican sweet home lamp, and we also managed to conceptualize that into a light. And as you can see over there, it's a beautiful light, and we also have that light as a rechargeable light. So we're using phone batteries and a phone charger to charge that light. The way in which the world is moving right now is about innovation. You think about something and you have a go at it. And if you look around you, there are challenges. Our thing was really predicated on the challenge that we had here with our existing lighting. Very, very inefficient. And we thought of looking at how we could make that more efficient. So if one wants to go into any business opportunity as it relates to innovation, I believe if you look around, you can see problems, and then there's a solution to that problem. And that's what we believe innovation is all about. Fixing existing problem, right? And come up with good solution where you can make an impact economically.